we're now on to the panel discussion of our domain experts. And we'll be speaking on the agenda that is omnichannel in post-pandemic world, a present reality or a futuristic idea. So for this, I'm calling in my very expert colleague on omnichannel, that is Mr. Sunil. Sunil, hi.
Hi, Anubhav.
Hi. We have on the panel with us Mr. Sabri Shankar from the CEO of Wondersoft, and we have Naveen from Green Honchos. We have Parinay. We have Parinay from Shiplight and Mr. Sachin Agarwal from Bizongo. So, Sunil, if you could give a brief outlook of the entire session agenda and of our esteemed speakers, that'd be awesome.
Definitely, Anubhav. So, hi all, good afternoon first of all. And my name is Sunil, and I'm going to be the moderator for this session. And we'll start our first session post-lunch as it's almost 2:45. And the topic for today's session is like omni-channel in a post-pandemic world, present reality or futuristic idea. So like we all know that COVID-19 has fundamentally changed consumer preferences in terms of buying online, leading to brands revisiting their online or omni-channel strategy. The prolonged lockdowns, everyone knows that has dramatically transformed consumer buying behavior while making them more health and socially conscious. And this has already the dominance of the e-commerce has strengthened during the pandemic. So brick and mortar stores will not become obsolete anytime soon. It has to get integrated into a hybrid sales model, and the boundaries between the online and offline shopping are being gradually erased. And as per the experts, the organic interconnection of the physical and digital customer experiences will become a post-pandemic new norm. So we have gotten together industry pioneers from the different facets of the omni-channel ecosystem to help you gain insights into if omni-channel is going to be reality or an idea. So we have structured this session in the form of introduction of our esteemed panelists, followed by discussion, and at last, the question and answers from our audiences. Mr. Sachin, if you can just introduce yourself.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, kudos to Unicommerce for organizing such a enlightening event for all of the people out there. I'm Sachin. I'm co-founder of Bizongo. At Bizongo, what we are building is a B2B e-commerce platform, full stack for custom-made goods. So anything which is which you as a business need, whether it is packaging, textiles, apparels, contract manufactured goods, specialty chemicals, which all go as an input into your manufacturing. We provide a one-stop digitally integrated platform so that you can manage your vendors, your supply chain, and the end-to-end life cycle of your P2P process on completely on a cloud digitally.
What do you think about whether the omni-channel will be the reality or an idea? What are your thoughts on this?
Well, sure. I think a lot has been covered and said by both Shankar and Naveen. I will just add a couple of aspects of the of managing the entire omni-channel process and distribution. While there is a lot to be taken care when you are talking about the downstream distribution, I think at the same time how automated and dynamic your back-end supply chain is, that will be equally critical for you to build a very scalable and integrated system. So I believe along with downstream distribution, the entire back-end supply chain, which sort of ranges from managing your vendors digitally, simplifying the processes and the way of engagement with them, automating your supply chain where you take an input from your downstream distribution and convert that live into your purchase planning of the materials, so that you are very much maintaining lowest amount of inventory and having a very agile supply chain, and at the end having a very robust supply chain financing solution which can help first you manage your cash flows, and then help at the same time help your vendors to fulfill their working capital requirements. So I think these are the three key components of digital vendor management, supply chain automation, and supply chain financing, which may be forming the backbone of your backend supply chain to support a great scalable downstream omnichannel distribution.
Sachin, there has been a lot of emphasis given to the supply chain management post this COVID. So how does company like Bizongo help and support the business?
Yeah. So, as you mentioned, that the supply chain has become even more critical for everyone post-pandemic era, and the reality of the broken supply chains is very much visible for not just for small enterprises, but even for large and very large enterprises. The way Bizongo helps first the customers in terms of managing their supply chain, as I was mentioning, providing an one-stop integrated end-to-end platform which can take care of the entire supply chain and not just one part of it. So usually, we come across standalone solutions. Someone is doing vendor management, someone is doing procurement, contract management, deliveries, financing, and all of these solutions are very much standalone working, which doesn't provide a tremendous amount of efficiency across the value chain. So what we do at Bizongo provide you one-stop platform where starting from as simple thing as creating the digital footprint of your vendor, onboarding him on a digital platform, helping him do order management, inventory management, production planning, to automating your supply chain from the supplier's factory to your master warehouse, or your master warehouse to your retail stores, or your multi-channel e-commerce distribution centers, and then also link it with supply chain financing, where we are helping both customers and suppliers bridge that gap between when the customer is receiving the money from their end customer to when suppliers need to purchase the raw material to service the customer. So there is usually a 30 to 120 days type of a gap in that entire life cycle. And how do we? It's important to bridge that gap to provide cash flow cushion and working capital support to both the sides. So all in all, this entire end-to-end supply chain, from vendor management to supply chain automation to supply chain financing, is fulfilled by Bizongo's platform.